Look at this, you guys. This is yet another new unit, but it's definitely giving me old unit vibes, if you get what I'm saying. Like, girl. But look at this hairline. We can get into that real quick. Like, girl. Outre has been stepping it up, out, and about these days. Like, okay, Outre, I see you coming for the competition, girl. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, look updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this pretty unit on my head. This is yet another new one from the Outre HD Lace collection. I'm wearing it in the style Kimora and the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking. You feel my energy. Ain't got no time for wasting. I know they into me. Ain't got no time for waiting. I've been creating my fate and they finna find out. They can't relate and debate because they're behind now. I feel the weight of the hate and they finna lie down. I carry pain on my shoulders and in my eyes now. Find out how it feels just living with the lights out. My doubt how it feels just sitting when the fight's out. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that pain can swallow each day by sorrow. Even though my time is borrowed, I'm hoping I see tomorrow. Got no pride or breath to swallow or wallow inside the sorrow. Days turn to nights and when the lights get low, pray that I just might ignite the life in this enclosure. Weighing me down, lifting me up, staying profound while I'm living my love. You already know how I've been giving it up. You can steady show my glow, I'm lifting it up. I know my time is borrowed. We may not see tomorrow. I know that.
Okay, guys, so the cap construction on this unit, you do get your typical 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb on the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with that singular parting that's going right down the middle, as well as HD lace. It does come pre-plucked with baby hairs all around the front of the lace front. So let me just show you what that's looking like. And I feel like they did a pretty good job on this hairline, you guys. So the density on this unit is really nice. It's definitely more on the natural side. If I had to guess, I would say that it's between 130 to 150%. So not too full, but definitely not too thin either. It's very natural and right in the middle. The texture on this unit is really nice. It's definitely like a soft, relaxed yaki. And if you were to see it in person, you would notice the little yaki crinkles that you kind of get accustomed to. But it's definitely not anything too crazy, not too overwhelming, not too fake looking. I feel like it's really nice, and they did a really good job on the texture. The texture is like one of my favorite parts about this unit. The length on this unit is coming below my boobs, so it is fairly long. And if you can see, the curl pattern on this one's a little bit different. It's sort of curled at the top, but the bottom is kind of dead straight. So if you're a fan of the whole curl and straighten at the bottom, I think you would definitely like this unit. And also, this unit is definitely small and medium head friendly. So I do think if you have a larger size head, the sides will definitely be an issue for you. But I think as a majority, the cap isn't too crazy. So let me just give you a 360 to show you what this is looking like. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con would probably be just the fact that I wish that there was a little more stretch to the cap, just because, like I said, the lace isn't necessarily laying down on the sides. I feel like if the cap was like a little bit bigger, could stretch a little bit more, I would be able to deal with that. So that was my only issue, but I feel like it's not even really a deal breaker or a big issue, just because, like I said before, the style of it, the fact that it falls over your face in the front like this, I don't necessarily see you wearing it up and showing the sides either way, so I don't feel like that's a really big issue. So the pros on this unit, I definitely do feel like there's a lot more pros than cons. I really like the density, I love the texture, I like the fact that this one was definitely a throw on and go. The HD lace on it is really nice. The fact that the baby hairs were not too much work at all to get to look like this. The hairline on it is looking pretty gosh darn good, so especially if you're somebody who's new to wigs, I think that this one could be good for you because it's minimal work to get this look going, so that is another plus. I feel like all in all, this is just a cute unit, and it probably would also be good as everyday wear. The only thing about it though is I feel like it is extremely similar to the Outre Kimora 203 unit. The texture, just the whole look of it, it just feels like a thinner version of the Outre Kimora 203 unit. So if you're a fan of that unit, I do think that you will like this one. Unless you're not really a fan of the straight ends, then maybe you won't, but as a whole, this one definitely does remind me very much of Outre Kimora 203, which I love. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking.